Today, I'll walk you through how to make a line graph in Google Sheets and insert it in a Google Doc, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a visually appealing line graph so you can effectively present your data. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Look for the grid icon, which represents Google Apps, and click on it. This will give you access to various Google services, including Sheets, which is where we'll create our line graph. Next, click on Sheets. This will take you to the Google Sheets interface. Here, you can either create a blank spreadsheet or open an existing one that contains the data you want to visualize. If you're starting fresh, simply click on the blank option to create a new sheet. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Now, it's time to highlight the cells that contain the data you want to include in your chart. Click and drag your mouse over the relevant cells to select them. This is similar to selecting text in a document. It allows you to focus on the specific data points you want to visualize. Once your data is highlighted, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Chart. This action will prompt Google Sheets to generate a chart based on your selected data. In the chart editor that appears on the right, choose Line Chart as your chart type. This will transform your data into a line graph, making trends and patterns much easier to see. If you need to adjust any settings, feel free to explore the options available in the chart editor. After your line chart is ready, you'll want to insert it into your Google Doc. To do this, click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the chart. From the options presented, select Copy Chart. This action copies your line graph to your clipboard, ready for pasting. Now switch over to Google Docs. Open a new or existing document where you want to place your chart. Once you're in the document, right-click and select Paste. A pop-up menu will appear, giving you the option to link to the spreadsheet or paste it unlinked. For this tutorial, choose to paste it again to save it directly in your document. Finally, if you need to adjust the placement or size of your chart, simply click on it and drag the corners to resize. You can also click and drag the chart to reposition it within your document, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your text. And there you have it. You've successfully created a line graph in Google Sheets and inserted it into a Google Doc. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.